Welcome back, guys. Gonna do another unboxing today, and got myself a rip here. So basically, what's going on today is we received a box. Peaceful Creek. And I did already open it. I usually do that with most of my packages and make sure they're all there and intact. So I don't have to haul them all the way out here and then haul them all the way back. So, it is a parts manual for the 7610. Which, if you guys don't know, it's right there. You might be able to see it in the photo. I don't know. But I want to thank Peaceful Creek for sending this out. It really helps because I need get some part numbers and I have no idea where to begin. And I also got a nice binder. I am gonna put all my other Ford stuff in here too, because it is a pretty nice binder. Now let's see if I can do this without messing this up. That's a lot of papers right there, I ain't gonna lie. That is indeed a lot of paper. Now I see why this binder is so dang expensive. You're gonna have to put in parts. Which ain't that big. Oh, that's highly detailed. Okay. That's first. And okay. Try not to rip any of this. I need your glass. That's what I recommend. I do your glass until it's all in there. We're getting there. We are indeed getting there. Okay, there's that. Okay. Okay. Imagine the person who had to print all this off. I am pretty sure that these are. I mean, I wonder if this is actual information from Ford they found, or if they had to source all this information and piece it piece by piece. There is a water line that's busted in the background, so if you're hearing that, that's what that is. Okay, you guys hear what the heck I'm saying. Sometimes we're getting down to it. We are getting down to it. Okay, we are done. Okay, I wonder if it says the name here or something. No, just Peaceful Tree. The guy's the guy I was speaking to, but if they're watching this video, I want to say thanks. Sending this book out. Use it on the channel. And I'm gonna go get all the other books I have for this thing. I'll be right back. I got the loader manual and then the tractor manual. And then I got the build sheet or the delivery sheet. These are the original ones for the tractor that came with the tractor when it was bought new. So they are in a little bad shape. I'm trying to find where the heck I put the... There, right there. See if they'll fit. Should fit. Does. Okay. And just like that. And then I'll put this back here, which this is a delivery sheet, which not many people have for their tractors, but it's pretty cool to know. There. So there. Got all my paperwork for the 7610 in here. Gonna have to. Okay. Section 4. This is highly detailed. Really highly detailed. It's pretty cool. I'll put a link in the description to Peaceful Creek's website, and I'm pretty sure if you don't have the operator's manual and the loader manual, I'm pretty sure they have those too. They got all the books you need for your 10 series Ford tractors. So, and probably some other models too, you know. So that's very good quality. I'm happy with the result. I am going to take the stickers off, like the dealership sticker is bought from, that you get on a piece of equipment. I'm going to put that in here. And then I think there's, I don't know about, the little stickers for like the 4-wheel drive control, stuff like that. Well, I want to thank everyone for stopping by. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button, leave a like, share this video. Go check out Peaceful Creek's website. They got all types of owners, operator manuals, parts manuals, service manuals, all types of stuff. So, until next time, guys, I want to thank you all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.